Good morning, my children. Welcome to the English class. As you all know, yesterday we have studied and we have completed our chapter number 5, going to the village. Am I right? So today we are going to start a new grammar topic, that is pronoun. That is pronoun. My children, you all have learned and you all have studied about pronoun in your previous class. It means in second class you have already studied about the pronoun. So my children, today we will revise what we have learned in class 2, because you are in class 3. तो हम थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे प्रोनाउन के बारे में, बट टुडे वी विल रिवाइज what you have learned in class 2. So first I am going to tell you pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun means, you can see that if I remove this pro, only noun is left. So it means it is totally related to the noun. It is totally related to the noun. And what is pronoun? Pronoun are words that are used in place of noun. That word which we can use in place of noun, जिन words को हम noun के place पर use कर सकते हैं, that is called pronoun. Suppose, what is noun? First, noun is a name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Suppose a name of a person is Gauri. A name of a person is Gauri, and I am talking about Gauri. Gauri is a good boy. Gauri is a Gauri is a good girl. Gauri is a smart girl. Gauri is an intelligent girl. Gauri is a kind girl. So for repeating again and again, Gauri, 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 and the Gauri is a girl. And for female, we can use the word she, and that she is called pronoun. That she is called pronoun. Means in place of noun we have used this word, and that is she. This she word is, we can say, pronoun. So if we are talking about any boy, suppose, and the name of the boy is Tony. So I am saying like this: Tony is a good boy, Tony is an intelligent boy, Tony is a smart boy, Tony is a cute boy, Tony is the best player, Tony is the best dancer. So again and again repeating Tony, 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 Tony. So removing this repetition in place of Tony, because Tony is a boy, means male person, we can use he. We can use he, and that he is called pronoun. That he is called pronoun because this we are using in place of Tony, means male person. That is called he. So she and he we are using in place of noun. This is called pronoun. And when we are talking about more than one person, means not only for Gauri, not only for Tony, we are talking about both. हम दोनों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about both Gauri and Tony. I am speaking about Gauri and Tony are good children. Gauri and Tony are smart. Gauri and Tony are intelligent. Gauri and Tony are cute. So again and again repeating of Gauri and Tony, Gauri and Tony, Gauri and Tony, we can use they. We can use they, and this they is called pronoun, because in place of Gauri and Tony, and they both are noun, and in place of that we can use they. So this they is called pronoun. So now the next, name of a place, name of an animal, and name of a thing. Suppose name of a place Delhi, name of an animal cow, name of a thing table. So in place of all these words, in place of all these words, if we are talking about Delhi, suppose Delhi is a big city, Delhi is a smart city, Delhi is a clean city. So again and again Delhi, 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 we can say it. Delhi is a big city, it is a smart city, it is a clean city. So in place of Delhi we can use it. So this it is called pronoun, because in place of noun we are using it. So for cow and table, same for if we are talking about any animal or anything. So in place of that also we can use it. We can use it. Suppose cow is a faithful animal. Cow gives us milk. Cow is white in color. So again and again, cow, cow, cow. We can say it gives us milk. It is white in color. So in place of cow or any animal, we can use it. So this it is called pronoun. Suppose we are talking about anything. Suppose I am having this book. This is my book. My book is rectangle in shape. My book is colorful. My book is big. Again and again repeating my book, and my book. We can use in place of my book means this thing. We can use it. Suppose this is my book. It is rectangle in shape. It is big. It is colorful. So this it is called pronoun. So in place of place, animal and thing, we can use it. And in play, if we are talking about boy, we can use he. If we are talking about any girl, we can use she. And if we are talking about more than one person, then we can use they. So my children, this he, she, they, it, these all are pronoun, and this is all that you have studied in class 2. So today we have only revised that what you have learned in class 2 and what is pronoun actually. Pronoun is a word that are used in place of noun. These are the noun, and in place of noun we can use these words, and these words are called pronoun. So my children, this is all for today. Today you have to revise again what you have studied and what you have learned in class 2 about pronoun, and tomorrow we will continue our chapter, continue our topic pronoun, and we will study a lot about pronoun. Okay, and I am sending you one worksheet that you have to do very carefully. Okay, bye bye my children, meet you in the next class.